Today we're gonna make Danish vanilla cookies. I'm gonna make 3 portions, so you can divide by 3 or follow the recipe below. Good. First thing you need is almonds, sugar, eggs, lots of butter, real vanilla, and I like to use a little vanilla sugar too. Gives a lot of good taste. And finally, flour. This is wheat flour. First we need to chop up the almonds. Sometimes people like to remove the shell, but I like the shell to remain. It tastes better in my opinion. So let's put these up here. Here we have ground the almonds, and it's important to make them fine and not too coarse, because if they're too coarse it will be difficult to shape the cookies afterwards. More on that later. Okay, now we ground the almonds, and it's very easy. You just put all the ingredients in, no magic, no nothing. Anybody can do it. It's very easy and you'll get the best cookies in the world. The butter too, just put it in. Like that. We're gonna use 2 eggs. You could maybe take 1.5, but this is gonna be just fine. Like that. And then all that's needed is to mix it thoroughly together. We're gonna start slow. And it just needs time. You can relax while. So now it's finished mixing, and this is how it looks. It's got a nice buttery consistency, and it should be like put together in a ball and put in the refrigerator for half an hour, maybe an hour, and then it will be ready for the next step. So after compressing it, it looks like this. You just do like this, and now it's ready to be cooled down for a little while. So now the dough has cooled down and we're ready to extrude it into a star pattern on this machine. So I'm gonna turn it on and it's gonna extrude. I'll take it medium speed. Let's see what happens. So what's gonna happen is they're gonna look like this. Small circles. And if you do not have a machine like this, you can actually just make them into small discs or wafers, and they taste the same. Like I said, maybe the most delicious cookie in the world, according to some people. So let's continue to do this, and soon we'll have some nice delicious cookies. So now I finished making just about half of that dough into these small circles, and it's ready to be baked. They need to be baked at 200 degrees centigrade on the upper shelf, or that's 392 degrees Fahrenheit for you American people. So I'll be back once I have the first batch finished, and you can see. Okay, this is the first batch right out of the oven, and you can see the golden color. You can actually make them a little bit more golden, but this is kind of perfect. I like both a little darker and this. It's good.